Hi, hello, how are you? What's up? Hope everyone are doing good. Welcome to my another new episode of Caring Arts signing in by Sujit. So today I'm going to explain you guys regarding animation or animated map, how bloggers insert in their videos. So let's check it out. And before that, if you guys are seeing this video for the first time, please like my video, share that, and subscribe it. So let's check out. First of all, you people need a Pixel Lab app, this thing, and you need a KineMaster video editor or else any video makers. So let's check it out in a Pixel Lab how to do it. Then we'll go to the video editor app. So this is a Pixel Lab app, and this is a mobile version, not a system or desktop version. This is a mobile version. So in this, you will get a screen like this. So in this, you will find a new text. So I don't want that. So I will delete it, and I just need a empty space of a screen. And in this you can find a hexagon shape of a icon. You just click on it and you will get a import icon. So just click on the import icon and you can see pics. So in that, first of all, what you people need to do is go to the Google map and select a place from where to where you're going to ride. So I'm a Bangalorean, so I choose it a starting point of Bangalore, and I'm not going anywhere in this lockdown period. But I just planned, okay, let's go to the Gokarna, and from there let's go to the Yana, and from there let's come back to the Bangalore. So I want to explain this map to the viewers in a what. very cinematic way. So what I want to do is I will just write names of the places like A, B, C, D, and it will show the route map. And what I will do, I will take a screenshot and I will put it in a gallery. And in a Pixel Lab, what you want to do is you take the same pic and crop it how much ever you want, and you will get this map inside this screen. Okay, now I will just make it proper center, and you can see properly see from Bengaluru to the A plan is near to the Shivamogga. It's a waterfalls, means Jog Falls, and from there I want to move to the Gokarna B, and from there I want to move to the C. It's a Yana. Okay, so this is simply a approx plan, just to teach you how to make the animated map. So okay, I selected this, and next what I want to do is I will go to the this double box thing, and I will go to the transparent icon button. So now what it happens, you will get a borderless map, which you can stick anywhere like a sticker. So we will do a transparent, and what you want to do is now just click on the it should be on a transparent only. Then again go to the hexagon, then again you can find a import button, go to the import. I need three or four red dots. So what I do is I just went in a Google and I searched a red dot or red circle in a Google, and I downloaded this image. And again I will just crop it, and what I will do is I will make it a small dot from circle to dot. Okay, now you people got to know why I made this. So I want to show the points from where to where I move. So I need a red pin drop, and see here you can find a copy button icon. Click on that. How much you need? 1 2 3 4 4 circles you need. So click 3 times and you will get, wait Yeah, and you will get three same size circles. But see, if it is a mobile version, it's a bit difficult to edit in a mobile. But what to do? I don't have upgraded system to do all those things. Okay, and next circle. Yeah, I will put it near to the Gokarna, and next, come here. I will put it near to the Yana. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, now what I will do is I will go to the square box on the top of your screen, on the top right side of your screen. Two square box is there. Means bottom of the three dots. Click over there and you can find four circles and one map, because we adjusted this four images in a screen. So on the bottom left you can find one tick mark and cross mark. You click on it, and what you do, select each and everything. Okay, select all, and again you just click middle button on the bottom side, and there will be a confirmation that are you sure you want to merge the subject or merge the selected objects. You click on the OK, and it will be selected. And now see your image, everything got uh, merged. Okay, before that, without merging, your circles will remain same and your map will be moving, but now the dots are remaining merged with the map. So next what you want to do is just go to the save button. Your pixel lab work finished right now. Here save as an image and save to the gallery. Okay, so here if you don't purchase the app by paying it, you will face this advertise. Yeah, you need to face this advertise if you don't purchase the app. Okay, I don't want, but it's a 5 minutes thing. Uh, so okay, now I finished. I will exit from the Pixel app, and next what I will do is I will go to the KineMaster. This is a mobile app. It is also a mobile app, and this is used to edit the videos. And this is also not a paid app, which I didn't paid. Actually I don't want to pay for these apps and all. So what I will do, I will directly go to the project, and here you can select the aspect ratio, like you're uploading it for YouTube or Reels or Insta or whatever. So I will select YouTube, and I will go for the next. Again I will face some advertise. Okay, here band kare. Okay, I will close it, and I need to search where. Okay, this one, Pixel Lab. Okay, I selected this image, and what I will do, I will drag a little bit. Here in the screen, what you want to do is go to the middle of the button near to the scissors, and what you do, start position and end position should be same. So I equally select it and click OK, and now it became same. Okay, I just want to zoom it. Okay, I zoomed here, so that your video will be bit enlarged in the screen, and just select the end, and equally you need to select it, made equal, and press OK. Now make it a bit duration, a large duration. Okay, now I think you can see a blurred thing. It's okay, no issues because it takes some time to get into a normal picture. So, okay, from here, what you want to do is next thing you go to layer. In layer, you can find stickers. In this sticker, if you go, actually I just downloaded these things. If you want to download these things, you just go to the shop icon. If you go to the shop icon, you can see a lot of animations like this. So I already selected arrow icons and flag icons something. So I will go to this icon and I find this flag. Okay, and I got, and I press OK, and I will make it smaller, and I will drag it near to the Bengaluru red circle or red dot. I will okay, I dragged over there, and now what I want to do is click OK, and what I want to do is this vibrant icon, I need to drag it till where the video ends. Okay, till here I need that flag. Till the end of this video I need that flag till the end of this map, and I want that map to convert in an animation. So you can see three boxes on the top of the alpha opacity. So in that first box, you select the first box, and you can see the in animation. So in this you can find a lot of animation this thing. So in that you can select pop down. So if you select pop down, it will pop down like it, someone is going and piercing the flag like that. Okay, and click OK. Then the second thing, same, go to the layer, sticker and vibrant icon, and select the flag, press OK, and make it smaller, and drag it near to the plan A, which is near to the Shivamogga Jog Falls. Okay, and then what you want to do is you need to drag this second map till the end, and drag this it should not come from the first, because after Bengaluru you are reaching to Shivamogga. So what you want to do is you need to give a gap in between the first flag. So I gave this much gap, and I will show you, and the same thing, go to the animation, in animation, and select the pop down and plus OK, and again go to the layer, go to the sticker, go to the flag, drag it near to the Gokarna, place it, press OK, and again go to the in animation, pop down. If you guys feel bored, you can just double tap your on your screen so that you don't want to waste your time because it's a work which takes a bit time to do. So if you people feels bored or any irritation things like something like that, you can just double tap and go to the forward and check the video, but please don't stop in the middle and log out. Okay, so I need one more flag. What I will do, go to the layer, go to the sticker, vibrant icons, one more map, flag, and take that flag and drag it near to the Yana. Okay, and what I will do, I will go to the animation, pop down, okay. So this one I need to drag till end, and this one I need to start from here. Okay, now I will show you the complete video. Just check the map how it works. First flag, and then again second flag in Shivamogga, and again third map in Gokarna, and again fourth flag in Yana. Sorry, I'm just repeating the map. Sorry. So now we finished this work. So from here, what I want to do is, after flagging, I want to show from where to where I went. First, I went from Bangalore to Shivamogga. So the only flag won't help you to understand. So what I want to do is, see, I will drag the picture like this, and I will check in a where the flag. Okay, at this time the flag came. So what I will do is, we'll check the time 5.39. Its time is 5.39 duration time, and I will just get in a middle. And what I will do, I will put it in a middle from here to 5.39 something. Yeah, 5.3. I will take 5.3, and I will take a middle. It's approximately middle. Okay. From here, go to the layer and go to the handwriting. In handwriting, you can see lines. There you select any line, and what you want to do is just from Bangalore to Shivamogga, you can draw a straight line like this, and press OK and check. What you want to do is, you can see the handwriting block. You just drag it till the end. Drag it till the end, and what you want to do is go to the same in animation, and go to the wipe right, wipe left. So it shows like you're moving from here to there. Okay, I will play you and show you. First flag pinned, from there line showed to the Shivamogga, and there I pinned again one flag. Okay, now same thing I want to check the third one timing. The flag gets pinned. Okay, from here. So what I will do is, okay, from here I will draw a line. Go to the layer, go to the handwriting, and again select it, and again from A means from Shivamogga to Gokarna I traveled. If it didn't came well, no issues, just delete it. Again go, again handwrite, again draw like this. Okay, and again click OK, and pull this handwriting bar till the end, and same animation. You need to remember it, wipe left. Okay, and again click OK, and again from Gokarna to Yana take some time. Okay, from here I will draw another handwriting line. Go to the handwriting, select it. Oh, it's too small, but what to do? Okay, I don't have system. Okay, I just clicked OK, and I will drag this handwriting till the end, and go to the in animation, and wipe left. Oh, sorry, for this wipe right, because the direction changed. So you need to check. You can check which one is okay, which one is good for you. That one. Okay. Okay, then click OK, and again go to the layer, go to the handwriting, and make a line from Yana to Bangalore. Delete. Layer, handwriting. Okay. Okay, and what you want to do is go to the in animation, wipe right, because direction changed. Make this icon inside okay, now I just finished the map animation in a simple way, and in a what in a mobile version. Okay, so just check it out. I will play it now. Okay, from Bangalore, I left to Shivamogga, and it was a plan, and I dropped a flag over there. And from there, I went to Gokarna and flagged over there. From there, I went to Yana and I flagged over there, and I explored every places, and I returned back to the Bangalore. Okay, so this is the thing how animated map is done with a simple and easier way. So you people please try it with this apps, or else definitely you need a pixel lab to do this, or else I don't know if you people have any other apps, similar apps, so you can please try it, and you can do a bit creative way in this. I just showed you example. So hope you guys like this video, and if you have any suggestions or doubts, please mention in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll meet up in another new episode of Gearing Arts. Signing out by Sujit. Bye.